Normally, these expos are conducted at elementary schools where we have 20 teams. Unfortunately, this year we couldn't do that. The organizers decided to do it online, and we felt like online is not a great experience for elementary school kids, and we decided to do our own mini expo here with the 6 teams that we have. So we have 4 S2 STEM teams that have come to the program here, and we also offer our robotics at off-site locations. So this year at Innovate Academy, which is a private school in Chatsford, we were able to do 2 more teams. So you will see 4 teams here who have participated in this expo. So the robotics competition that these kids have participated is a nationwide organization that does robotics competition from pre-K all the way to high school. So these kids who are doing this expo is at level 2. So there is a level 3 at middle school. So we have just a quick overview of that table. That's what the middle school robotics team competes on. And then there is a high school robotics team. All these robotics teams, in addition to just robotics or Legos, we also teach them real world problem solving. So this year the theme was about Cargo Connect, wherein the kids learned everything about how goods move across the world. So we had some interesting questions about how does banana or bread come to your house, how do different modes of transportation work, how does post office work. So you must have seen in the posters they have done some research on all those things. So in addition to just Lego building and having fun, they're also learning some real world skills in terms of how things work around their world. So we are happy to be able to do it with so many kids, and also able to do this expo wherein kids can see other teams as well. So with that being said, first thing I want to do is thank our judges. So I want to invite each of our judges. First, let's start with Ms. Sabrina. Sabrina is the principal of the Innovate Academy that I mentioned about. Then we have Ms. Danielle Clark. You might be familiar with her also. She's the principal of Chatsford Elementary School. And then we have Shell. Shell is part of the technology industry, and we are fortunate to have him as a Garnet Valley resident. One of the things that when me and Shanti, my co-founder, we started this, we always wanted to have that industry participation so that the kids can get to see where they are working towards. And Shell is an excellent role model, in the technology industry, and we are glad to have him. So thank you so much for helping us hold this event. Now I would like to introduce Ms. Sona. Right? She doesn't need an introduction. Almost all of you know her. She is the coach for 5 out of the 6 teams. Right? So I'll pass it on to Ms. Sona, and she has the awards list. She'll take out from here. Thank you.
Okay. So we are going to start with the Team Poster Award. So all of you would have seen that the kids have put in effort in making their posters, and they have had, each one of them have had their own innovative stuff on the poster, which was very unique to their team. And this award goes to Team Lego Challengers. Get your medal there.
Get your medal first and then come over here. Eric.
Yes. Just hand them over to Mr. Okay.
Awesome job.
Guys, after bringing your certificates, can you come and line up here?
Not it. Not me.
Yeah, one of the kids is not here.
Oh, okay, okay, all right.
Okay, everybody's here. Okay, just line up there for a picture.
Line up there.
Line up me in the front.
Perfect.
Okay. The next award that we are calling out is for the Team Model Award. Yes, the Team Model Award is the award that they have actually built with Legos, the model that they have built with Legos to depict whatever their ideas were. And this award is for Team Pathfinders. Team Pathfinders. Okay, Riley, get your certificate. Yeah, I'm going to get you
Okay, high five for the other team. Guys, give high fives. Give high fives. Okay.
Good job, guys.
Can I move this? Excuse me. Can I move this back? Can I move this back?
So while talking about transportation, we've also introduced children to a lot of core values like inclusion, impact. These were like words that were beyond their understanding. And today, if you ask them what is inclusion, they should be able to explain what inclusion means and how you include other kids' ideas or include everybody's thought into whatever they're working on. So we talked about a lot of core values, and this award is for Team Lego Masters. Mrs. Clark.
You look sharp. Yeah. Goes well with your
Give me a color.
Back up, back up, back up. Guys, can you guys go over there?
Okay, thank you guys, good job.
Sam, can you guys? Alright, high fives, high fives.
Yes.
Give high fives.
Now, the team which did the
High
best
five.
presentation as in while they were talking to the judges, when the questions were asked and they were explaining their concept to the judges. Good job. It was the team that did the best there is Team Cargo.
Wait, certificate.
Guys, wait for your certificates. We are going to follow the instructions. David.
David. Oops. David. David.
Stay for 1 second. The next
You all get yours? Okay.
Upside down. Okay, guys. Let's give high fives to all the teams. Guys, high fives, high fives.
That's great. Okay. I got it. Yes, guys. Let the rest of the teams come here. So the challenge this year was, once again I repeat this, the challenge was sponsored by Amazon, and the whole concept was around transportation and how cargo can be transported, in the best possible, shortest time duration and the safest way. Yes, and that award is named as the Challenge Solution Award, which goes to Team Cargo Engineers. Yes, Team Cargo Engineers. Yes, this is just ask for one. Okay, I'm going to hand away the award myself. Yours.
Let's stand in front of the table again.
Anna. Sorry. Good job, guys. And
Give high fives to the other team.
last but not the least, yes, we will not forget that we are here to learn robotics and coding. And the award for coding is to Team Giant Geniuses for awesome job, guys. Yes, that is for Canon. Good job, guys. And that's for Lloyd.
Stand right there for a couple of seconds.
Guys, guys, stand
Right.